Hey guys, it's Josh from joshmcdonald.net. In this video we're going to be talking about SAPE. So SAPE is a Russian link network. You can buy links very cheap, but the thing is the website is in Russian, so you kind of have to know what you're doing. There's a lot of low quality links, mostly 99% are low quality. So we're just going to go through a bit of strategy. First thing, before we get into digging through the links, SAPE links should only be used on tier 2, tier 3 in your profile, because unless you know what you're doing, you do not want to use SAPE links directly on your money site. If you know what you're doing, if you know the risks, you know what can happen, how to avoid penalty. I can make a whole other video on this, but that's not what the point of this video is. The point of this video is to show you how to buy SAPE links as someone who doesn't know Russian. Okay, so SAPE, just search it up. SAPE.ru is the website. And I'm already logged in, okay? So you can basically, to do this, we're going to use Google Translate. So if you have Chrome, it'll automatically translate the page for you, but you can also do Google Translate add-on, and then here it is. You can snag the add-on. And I have both. Sometimes the page doesn't translate automatically in Chrome, so I have the add-on here installed also. So once you get that, you're going to go ahead and sign up on the homepage. It's pretty, if you're translating, it's pretty self-explanatory. First name, last name, middle initial, I think, email, password. There's a part where it asks for your passport. You can just skip that. It's not a required part, so just skip over the passport part. And then last is financing, so you have to add a credit card. And some people, I've had friends complain that they've had issues with the credit card. If you're having issues with the credit card part, leave a comment below and I'll go back and cover that, because I'm not going to cover it because personally I zipped right through registration and the credit card. I mean it was months ago when I did it, so I can't remember exactly how or what I did to get my account approved. But anyways, so everything is in Russian currency, which are rubles, something like that. Let's just do a quick currency conversion here so we know what we're dealing with. Russian rubles to rubles. I have no idea. I'm terribly. Okay, so no, let's do the other way around. Let's do 1 USD. No, what the heck is going on? 1 USD to Russian. Okay, so around 63 of these rubles. I should really figure out the pronunciation before I started this video, but anyways, so we're going to be looking at links for every 60 where it's $1 US. So we're just going to do some quick math in our head as we're buying links. Okay, so we get logged in, you deposit some. I think I put like 500 in, and then you can see some get used up. Some have been getting used up today and this week. So you're on this screen here, you're on the home page, you hit my projects, and that brings up all my projects, right? And then yeah, so go down here. We're gonna do a new project. So just click create new project and let it just wait a second. It'll translate, and the project name can be joshmcdonald.net. And then we're gonna go down, leave everything the way it is, hit add, wait for it to translate. Good. Hit save. Okay, and then here it is, right here, this one here. So then we're just going to go over here to the plus sign and hit URL. And then we're just going to add in a URL. And then we can also just do jm.net business, throw in a random keyword, and hit add. Okay, so that was the URL that we wanted to link to. Okay, Now we got to add our anchor text. So generally with SAPE, you don't want to inject anchors unless you know what you're doing. So just do something like my article here. And then just select what the part that you want to hyperlink and just hit contents link button here. It'll put like a hashtag with an A, and then hashtag is like, this is kind of HTML hybrid. I don't know what I would call it, but 2 pound signs with A's between it, and then closing it off with 2 pound signs and an A between it for the A HTML tag. That's done. Pretty straightforward. Hit add. Just wait. Takes a couple seconds. You're brought back to this page. Okay, now we're going to get into the fun part. So we have our anchor text set up. We have our URL set up. Project set up. Balance is loaded up. Everything's ready to go. Hit search sites. Okay. Wait for this to translate. So it doesn't really have, SAPE doesn't use any useful metrics. I don't know what SR is. SAPE rank. Okay. And then this is page rank, I believe. PR. So anyways, nothing useful that I want to use. The first thing that I pay attention to is we'll go column by column on what I use. External links. So if you want, you know, less than 5 external links on the page, right? Your price. So the pricing is now going to depend on if you want inner page links or if you want home page links, right? Inner page links are very cheap. Like you can buy no problem 100 inner page links, you know, for just a couple dollars total a month. So sometimes I go inner page, but then the problem with inner page links is they don't index very often. So it's like you'll have to hang on to them for a few months because Google might only check these inner page articles like maybe every 2-3 months. So inner page, home page is going to be a lot more expensive, like maybe anywhere from 50 to 100 times the price. But let's do inner page first. And then I guess we'll go back and do homepage links. So we put 10 in, and what's 10? Like, let's just translate this real quick. 10 Russian to USD. 15 cents per month. These are per month pricing. So 15 cents max is what we want to spend on one link. Subject area. You can choose a subject. So let's do like, I don't know. Let's just do auto. Hit retain. It kind of means like save. Go down, go down. Domains is then where you can also choose. Really depends on your purposes. Sometimes some people don't want to filter by that. There is edu. There is .com. I'm in Canada. There is .ca. But there's a ton of Russian, so this is why you might want to filter it. But it really depends on your purpose, like I said. Let's just do .com, hit retain. Keywords to be throughout the text. I don't really touch that. And then this part is the last part that I touch, and we'll cover that when we get to homepage links. Okay, so then we hit find. Now 2 possibilities here. It could work, or yeah, it worked. But it might say no grounds is the translation, no grounds. Which generally means that it's not a broad enough search. And when we created our URL back a while ago, there was a keyword that you could put in. I would go back and change that keyword. Like I put business in as something really generic. I've noticed I'm not perfect with choosing the keyword there. I'm still doing tests with it, but I've noticed if I put a small keyword there, it does include it in the search from what I understand. And I've not been able to find some URL. So if that first keyword that you put in back when you did text, was it text or I can't remember where I put it in, but you saw me type in business. I remember that. That could be one reason why you're getting no results. Another reason is if you have too narrow of some of these. Let's go here for a second. There was New Zealand here, right here. New Zealand doesn't have. It's pretty unpopular, pretty small place. With respect to other countries. So if you're choosing a small demographic or target here, there might be no results. But anyways, we have some results, so let's get into it. 217 results, okay? And then you can see turbomotors.com, and then it has all the pages. So as you can see, these are all inner pages because we filtered by a pretty low price. So like 10 cents a month. And then you can just click this, open it in a new tab, Okay, that's not working. No, let's do one of these. Turbo motors. And then in my Moz search bar, in my toolbar here, it has a domain authority of 24. You know, a little article, and then your link will be placed somewhere on here. It could be hidden. We're gonna find out though. So this is, you're just inspecting the websites, checking the metrics. The key is though, when you buy, if you're buying SAPE links from a reseller, they filter them for you, right? They filter it on trust flow, domain authority. Now, I've been thinking about making a tool for this. I haven't went through with the idea yet. If you leave some comments, everybody wants this, I may make a tool and release it to a small amount of people. But this is the way to check metrics for free. I want to show you kind of the hybrid version. So first thing we do is go up to the top, and right here just show, we got 217 results, so just show all of them. So choose 1,000 or 5,000, and here they all are. Then just hit Command A or Control A, depending if you're on Mac or Windows, and just copy. Select all and copy. Head over to Google. So we got all the text, all the gibberish, and then just do what is it, like a domain parse from text. There's a bunch of these. Yeah, this one here, cheapnames.com/domain parser.html. And then here, paste in all that gibberish, all the text. Has everything in it, right? And what we're going to do here is just extract the domain names from here. So just hit extract domains, instantly checks. Here they are, 129 unique domains. So it means there must have been duplicates, because this does remove subdomains from what I can tell. And then so you got 129. So let's go. Now it's time we can check them for metrics, right? We can check the domain for metrics, not the URL. If we want to check the URL, it would require some software. Like I said, I will be willing to make it. Just leave some comments and we'll get some people together and figure it out. Sorting through domain authority now. Domain authority checker. Just find one of these, or if you have a Majestic membership, anything like that. I don't think this one works. I'm trying to remember which one works. Domain authority is free to check, so that's what I'm going to do. And then you can only usually check 100 at a time, so I'm just going to take a chunk of these. Top half. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Take a bunch. Copy those. Yeah, this one works. Okay, and paste them in. Go fetch. I think it takes 10 seconds to fetch each one, so go get yourself a coffee. Come back, and this should be populating. If it's working right now, these tools are hit and miss because Moz, they restricted their API a couple months ago, the free API at least, so a lot of these sites that are free are having a lot of issues. A lot of them aren't working anymore. But anyways, if this works, if it doesn't work, either way, we're just going to go through, check the metrics of these, and then when we're ready to go, we find the ones that we want. Let's just go back and find a couple here. So say we want, I don't know, let's just pick a couple. So we go like this. We say, okay, I like this one. It's, you know, it seems like a better page than these. These are pretty nested, so let's just go here. Go way over. I noticed that the Russian part hasn't converted, so this is when I'm going to use my, okay, no, it's converting as we speak. And then it's select text. So select text and then choose your anchor text that you had before. It's going to put a check mark right there. And let's just buy 3 just so I can, one of them should work instantly. The thing with SAPE is a lot of them are instant. They instantly place the link. So it's pretty neat, and it checks to make sure link is placed and only charges you if the link's placed. It's a pretty awesome little software they have going here. So we got 3 here, something around 5 to 10 cents each. So let's go down. We got 3 check marked. We chose our anchors. Scroll all the way down to the very end. We're assuming those were the good ones, and then we just hit buy. Let it sit for 5-10 seconds. Here it is. Let it convert. Potentially, it's not going to convert. Let me translate it here. And it says 3 ordered. I think it's, or 3 purchased or something. I don't think it's going when it shows the number, that's when it's successful. So even if your translate isn't working, it's being finicky, you're fine to exit out now. And let's just get out of this Google Translate that's not working. And we'll go back to the top and projects. And okay, let's translate. Okay, so you can see here at the top there's a summary of all your campaigns. So you can see I've been like testing quite a bit with SAPE. 54 links live, 5 are not live, 8 has a status of wait, which I don't know what that is. Maybe they haven't had time to manually add a link yet, but a lot of these are automated, as we're going to see now. So we got 3 applications. Let's see if we have any live. Click this, waiting for confirmation. Okay, let's just open these up here. Let's open them up in tabs. When they're done, they'll be marked as placed here. So let's see if any of these are live yet. Open them all up in tabs. I view the source because the link isn't always going to be visible. Sometimes they're hidden links. No. No. And no. Actually, what did I do? I forgot to do what I just told you to do. Look at the source. Okay, and then view page source. No, none are live yet. We can go back, buy some more until we get some live links. Get out of these, go back. Just give this a quick refresh, make sure it's still waiting. So let's go ahead and review how we search again. So we go here, we hit the magnifying glass beside the campaign, and then we'll be where it says search sites. Go down, limited external links. The price we can do 5, right? And then, or even you can even do less. You can go dirt cheap and just buy them all. 2. Hit find. And there's a ton. It maxes out at 5,000 links. So let's just grab a couple here. This one. This one. This one. And I would select all and buy them, but I only want to buy one from each domain. And I think there's a setting for that. And we forgot to cover homepage links, so let's do that in a second. But let me just buy these real quick. And hopefully by the end of this video, someone will be placed. Okay, done. Purchased 5, it says. Okay, back up here. So to do homepage links, so let's remove the currency, and it's right here, level domain. So do second level, hit find. Okay, and here we are. Should be homepage. Okay, nope, that wasn't. Hang on. Let's try that. Okay, homepage. We want homepage, and then we want second level. It's a combination of the two. There. Okay, so let me just review what I just did there. So if I had all levels selected, there's a lot of subdomains in here. Quite common on the platform. As you can see, subdomain of euro.ru, chat.ru, chat.ru. Like, there's a lot there. These are all subdomains except that one. So we want to go second level, which from what I understand means second level as in this would be the first level, .ru, chat would be the second level. So we want that, and then we want homepage and find. So let's go back, and then here we are. Okay, but let's choose something cheaper because I'm going to delete these links anyways because I don't really want them. Sort results by pricing. I think it's this one. Let's see. Okay, that's definitely not that. Look at those prices, though. Really? Someone's making some money. Well, I don't know how much that'd even be. What would that be? 47,000 rubles to USD. 700 bucks. Yeah, that's an expensive link. Did I research this or not? I was just hoping to find the cheapest one available, but if not, we'll just filter by price, like I showed you before. Here we are, 55.55, and then go like this. You know, same as before. As you can see right here, it just has a single /. That means homepage or root. Select your anchor, go down, hit buy, wait 5-10 seconds. Purchased. Go back, my projects. Go here. Here we go. We got one. If it translates, I can show you. Placed one and 8 waiting for confirmation. They're pretty fast, like almost instant. And for some of them in the past couple purchases I did, pretty close instant. Hit placed. And here we go. We got one. That one we just bought, that homepage link is already live. So let's check it out. So you can see if you hover over in the bottom corner, you see it says 123 SDF SDF SDF.ru. It's just some sort of junk redirect domain. So just open it. Just click that link and open it up. And then here it is. Researchmed.ru, domain authority of 15. It literally costs us. Let's do this. How much did it cost us? Less than a penny per month. And let's see, here we go, right in the bottom. There's a bunch right here, right there. You can see a bunch are injected right there. Twitter. And then to check where ours is, because you don't really know where they're going to be. And it's not there right now. It is not there. Huh. Let's refresh and keep. I would like to show you guys one on video. Even though this one's saying it's placed, it will be checked and placed under error since we can't find it. But anyways, if I waited 5-10 more minutes, I'd be able to show you guys. I'm not going to hold this video out any longer. It's dragging on to be quite long, but I hope you guys got an understanding of how to search through SAPE, the basics, you know, finding use a free tool if it was working right now. For domain authority, I think that's everything. I think I covered everything I wanted to cover. If you have any questions, drop a comment if you're interested in me building some sort of SAPE software, either something simple for free or something a little more complex with all the bells and whistles for paid. Just let me know. I always read my comments from you guys, so and I try to respond. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll make a follow-up video if there's anything wrong. But hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up is hugely appreciated. See you in another video.